In today's video, I will walk you through how to add stock chart in PowerPoint. An Excel style sheet will open where you need to enter your stock data in the correct format depending on the chart type. For a high-low close chart, enter categories like dates or labels in column A, high values in column B, low values in column C, and close values in column D. Each row must contain one complete data set. For an OHLC chart, enter open, high, low, and close values in the correct columns so the sequence matches properly across all rows. If your chart includes volume, add an extra column for trading volume and align it with each row of data. After entering your data, close the sheet and the chart will update automatically on your slide. To customize the chart, select it and go to the Chart Design tab. From here, you can change the chart style and colors, add a chart title, and insert axis labels. These options help you adjust the overall layout and presentation of the chart. Next, go to the Format tab to adjust lines, markers, and appearance to improve how price movements are displayed. Once finished, your stock chart will be updated and formatted on your slide.